Hello all, how are you? I hope all are good. Today I'm going to show you how to change the back gear indicator light. Uh, this is a Toyota 1998 Sprinter. This is 111 chassis and um, 1331 cc engine, and we are going to change the back gear indicator of this vehicle. Currently the vehicle have a old technology bulb for its back gear indicator, and today we are going to uh, connect this LED. Here is a 24 SMDs here for one LED bulb. We are going to connect this, use this, fit this for the back gear indicator of this vehicle. When we are selecting R by the gear lever here, by the shifter, this LED will blink for a while, and when we are going to when we change the lever, it won't blink anymore. So let's see how to connect these LED bulbs. For this operation, at first we have to pull this lever for open the what should I say, we say dicky or bagdala in Bangla. It should be trunk in English, right? Okay, we are going to pull this lever for open the trunk, and we have to go to the trunk. Here at first we have to open the cover, both sides, each cover we have to open. It's very easy, just pull it out like this. This one is the parking light, and same operation for this one. Okay, so we have to open the parking light. See the instruction here. If you turn here, it will be locked, and if you turn the opposite side, it should be unlocked. Look, this was the bulb here, and same operation for this one. See, these are the old technology bulb for the back gear indicator. We have to open this out, bring this out, and see the connector. Okay, storing here for a while. We have to bring this out, both. Got stuck here. I have to bring this. Okay, skipping this for in the video. I'm directly going to show you the connection of the LED. Okay, here it is. Okay, I have these two new technology LED in my hand for connect here and here. It's very easy. I'm going to show you the holder here. Just plug and play. Okay, just plug and play. Just connect here. It's that much easy. and okay, so connection is done. Okay, connection is done. Now just insert the holder, bulb holder, in the box and lock it following the instruction. You'll get instruction here how to lock it. Just insert the bulb holder in the box and turn right. Okay, there you go. Just insert it. You'll see an arrow here. It will be here. Okay, otherwise you can't insert it. The arrow will be here. Insert the box, the holder, insert the box and turn right for lock. Okay, here I'm turning right. Yes, and that sound, it means it got stuck here and it's already locked. Okay, same operation for the right one. Here you can see the arrow will be here and turn right. Okay, and now we have to check once again if everything is good. Okay, everything is good. Now we have to cover it. Okay, we have to cover it. So this was the operation for changing the back gear indicator lights for Toyota Corolla 1998 Sprinter, that is 111 chassis. Hope it helps. This was all for today's video. Hope we will see you in my next video. Till then, tada, Allah Hafiz.